In this tutorial, we'll be talking about everyday electrical appliances. The energy you use in your home is mostly supplied by electricity, gas, and oil. Although all three of these energy supplies can be used for cooking and heating, your electricity supply is vital because you use electrical appliances for so many purposes every day. The charge that flows through these appliances transfers energy to them, which they then transfer usefully, but some of the energy you supply to them is wasted. In this table, you could see a comparison of energy used in electrical appliances. We have useful energy and energy wasted. For example, let's see the electric kettle. The useful energy in the electric kettle is energy heating water, and the energy wasted in the electric kettle is energy heating the kettle itself. Or like the electric heater, energy heating the surroundings is considered useful energy, and light emitted from the glowing element is energy wasted. You use electrical appliances for many purposes. Each appliance is designed for a specific purpose, and it should waste as little energy as possible. Suppose you were a rock musician at a concert. You would need appliances that transfer the variations in sound waves to electricity and then back to sound waves. But you wouldn't want the appliances to transfer lots of energy to the thermal energy store of the surroundings or themselves.